Hello everyone, welcome back to Dry Academy. I'm your host Ali, back with another video. This is our 5th video on Solidity tutorial series. In this video, we are going to continue our study on this cryptozombies.io website. In this lesson, we are going to learn about function return values and function modifiers. The task of this lesson is to create a private function that will take a parameter and also going to return a uint type. And we have to mark this function as view. Don't worry if you don't understand what I am talking about. I will explain while I code. So without any further ado, let's get to coding. I'm going to remove this comment here. Let's start with the function keyword. Function, and the function name is given generate random DNA, and this underscore before this function means this function will gonna be a private function. And this function will take a parameter called underscore str, and this is going to be a string type. And remember, we have to use the memory keyword here so that this str parameter can change the original argument's value passed through. Now let's define this function as a private, and the function modifier is view. So in Solidity, we have function modifiers to explicitly tell the Solidity compiler what this function will gonna do with these smart contract properties. By this view function modifier keyword here, we are telling Solidity compiler, hey, this function will only read values from the smart contract. This will not gonna modify any data in this smart contract. And we also have another modifier which is called pure. You can see here. Pure means this function is not even gonna read anything from the smart contract. This will do something on its own scope, maybe a math operation. So I think it's clear to you now. If not, then please let me know in the comment section below. Now let's define the return type of this function. For that, we have to write returns and a brackets here. We are going to return a uint type and the function curly braces. Let's check the answer now. Yeah, we passed this test. This is all for today's video. In the next video, we are going to learn exciting stuffs, a hash function and typecasting. Thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss the future tutorials. Don't forget to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Peace.